Scored this 3500 watt generator from an auction place down in Christchurch, and it had a spark plug top missing and the petrol hose, so I replaced them and it started first pop. I noticed the voltage was low though, it was at 90, which is telling me that either these brushes here or the AVR is poached from overloading and trying to power too much, because this regulates all your output power. So we're going to quickly replace both of them and see if our voltage pumps up to 240 again. Apart from those two pieces there, the only other issue that could possibly do such a thing on a generator like this is the magnets on the rotor on the inside, but usually that would take years or some extreme heating before that would fail. So we're going to go and play with these two and replace them now that I've got the parts, and see what the outcome is. Our new replacement parts for the generator. These are the brushes, AVR. This one's slightly stronger by about a couple thousand watts actually, but we're going to stay to the same power output as the average. I just wanted it to be stronger, last longer, no mucking around. Alright, so I've just fitted the other AVR and brushes to it. So I'll put some fresh gas and start it up and see what the outcome is.